Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got another microwave variety. This is from Myojo Foods, and this is a new shelf-stable fresh. This is their Myojo Ramen Spicy Noodle, or Spicy Miso, rather. Sounds good to me. And so let's cook it up. By shelf-stable fresh, I mean like these. So you can just keep it. A lot of the time you'll find places putting this in the refrigerated section. You don't have to do that. These will stay fresh in this pouch for a long time. They are not going to rot. And so yeah. Yeah, I'm just like, wow, what happened with the election? It's all I can think about. It's just like, it's like my favorite episodic drama that's going on right now is like, did you hear what they said? Did you hear what they said? Did you hear what they said? Oh my God, the world is exploding! Ah, it's really a lot of crazy stuff going on. People saying ridiculous things, not acting like adults. I don't know. But I got a message from my brother today. My brother lives in Jerusalem. Luckily, he did not get blown up by the 180 missiles that were sent by the Iranians to do so. Yeah. And he sent me tidings. Today is Rosh Hashanah for the Jewish folks. So happy Rosh Hashanah. And that means it's New Year. So he was calling me up to let me know, well, I am going to be busy. Usually we talk on Thursdays, and tomorrow is Thursday. So, yeah, he is going to be doing related activities, so I will talk to him next week. But yeah, the conflict in the stuff going on in other parts of the world is pretty hairy stuff. I don't know. Hopefully everybody does well in the new year. All around. There we go. It keeps getting bright and not bright outside. I'm going to add water. 2 minutes later. There we go. There's some water. We have miso broth going on. I'm really curious about this one. I really like Myojo stuff. I'm curious what this one will... Whoa, that's creepy. I wonder how it'll be. Time to find out. I think there's a possibility it's going to rain today, but I'm really unsure about that. Bing, bing, bing. Alright. We went to 7-Eleven last night, and the kids got Slurpees. I got a bag of chips. They were limited edition Big Bite hot dog flavor, and they were weird. And I will say, though, the weirdest thing is my son Miles, he got a Slurpee, and it was like, it was Coke Zero Oreo flavored. Yeah. And you know what? It tasted like that. I know at the store you can get Oreos that have cola flavor with them right now. It's the new thing. Everybody's got to try the new thing. I like trying the new thing, but that one just didn't sound all that appealing. So I've skipped out on that, but he didn't. He tried one, and I gave a taste, and I was like, This ain't right, man. This I don't know. But yeah. New is good. Trying new things is good. I don't know if I'll go out again. I think it might rain. It's getting kind of dimly lit out that way. I walked up to the store, got some stuff, came back. I had a bad back pain the last day or so. Yeah. Oh, I ordered some. I ordered a new joystick for the arcade machine. And hopefully it'll work perfect with, like, classic video games. Because the one I've got now is for fighters. So, like, Tekken, King of Fighters, all that stuff where you got to do all the angled moves. I want something that's like up, down, left, right. I want to play Pac-Man. I want to play Zookeeper. Because with all those other games, like, if you've got the wrong kind of stick and you try playing those games, it's just... So, I'm going to give myself a try at hooking up a stick just for that. It wasn't too expensive. And if it works out, I am, like, going to be super psyched. Yeah. Yeah. We'll see. But yeah, it's is it the 21st for you or the 20th? I don't know. I don't remember the episodic number all that often. Generally, it's like if it's coming out on January 20th, it's going to have a 0 at the end of the episode number will be 0 and it'll come out on the 20th. It won't be like 20 and come out on the 20th sometimes. I don't know. I try to make it as easy as possible to... Oh, that's hot. There. Let's just stir it up. It's hot. Hot out of the old wave. Okay, let's give it a stir and see what happens. This is interesting. Here we go, we're stirring. It's like I really need to make it, allow it to cool down. What's interesting with this one is that the amount of broth versus the amount of noodle, and the noodle does not, I don't believe these noodles soak anything up. Because these are these alimentary paste noodles? I can't remember what the whole deal is with that, but I think they might be. These are like pouch udon. Myojo makes a lot of that too. And it as well is quite good. My wife really likes that stuff. Nice, it's got a little bit of tooth to it. They also make a tonkatsu, and that's what I'm going to be trying very soon. That sounds good too. This is interesting. So this is very heavy on the red miso. But I will say, the little bit of heat really balances it out nicely. I mean, this is like one of the best adding heat to something I may have run into. Oh yeah, it's got just this nice little bit of burn with it, but it isn't just like that ultra earthy miso, which is just like a little too much for me. But this is good. I'm impressed. Okay. We're going the wrong way. It's hard to figure out what direction is. The camera is over here and it doesn't really go go too quick. Okay, cool. And again, I'll say I do like the noodle in this one a lot. So there is that. Let's start with some chashu. I think that's a good direction to begin in. There's our chashu. I don't think I'm going to torch it today. I don't know why. I don't feel in the mood to blowtorch the chashu. That may change. And since it's miso, there's nothing more wonderful than corn with miso, I think. So here's some corn. That's yummy corn. Then we're gonna do some egg, but first we're gonna do some onion. And now we're gonna go for that egg. Go for that egg. Oh, we got that too. Lately, I've been having trouble deciding where to put the what do you call it? It's like, where am I supposed to put the narutamaki? So I made too many eggs the other day. I'll be quite honest. I will admit it. Too many eggs. I made 6, and I used 2 yesterday, and I'm using 2 on the reviews I'm doing today. They're a little marinated. I wonder, what do you marinate your eggs with? Honestly, I just use what do you call it? I just use soy sauce. It works. I mean, I'm looking for that color, and it makes it a little salty, and I get happy. Some people be like, no, but it's fine with me. I like it. Here you go. Rotato, do your thing. Maybe a little seed. Maybe. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Makes it so other people see this stuff. So, yeah, do it to it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.